Hi everybody, happy Friday! It's Friday, May 15th. This is Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. You know you can always hit subscribe if you like what you hear. But anyway, today, most importantly, how are you doing? It's really hot where I am and some loud birds out here with me. How was your day? It's getting to be a little bit later right now, so I hope you had a good day. And I'm going to read today Ezra Jack Keats' book, who I feel like you guys really have been enjoying these books, and it's called A Letter to Amy. If you can hear it over the bird. All right, bird, it's okay. You can join in the reading, right? It's nice to hear wildlife. A Letter to Amy. And he dedicated this book to, let's see who he dedicated this to. Doesn't say yet. Ezra Jack Keats, the author, A Letter to Amy. I'm writing, it didn't say dedication. I didn't see it on this version, but I'm sure he dedicated it to somebody. I'm writing a letter to Amy. I'm inviting her to my party, Peter announced. Why don't you just ask her? You didn't write to anyone else, said his mother. Peter stared at the paper for a while and said, well, this way it's sort of special. He folded the letter quite a few times, and he said he put it in the envelope, and he went to mail it, and he said, I'm going to mail it. Well, what did you write? His mother asked. Will you please come to my birthday party, Peter? You should tell her when to come. So he wrote on the back of the envelope, it is this Saturday at 2. Now I'll mail it. Put a stamp on it. He did and started to leave. Wear your raincoat. It looks like rain. He put it on and said, it looks like rain. You'd better stay in, Willie. And he ran out to mail his letter. There's Willie the dog. Walking to the mailbox, Peter looked at the sky. Dark clouds raced across the sky like wild horses. He glanced up at Amy's window. She wasn't there. Only Pepe, her parrot, sat peering down. Willie, didn't I tell you to stay home? Peter thought, what will the boys say when they see a girl at my party? Suddenly, there was a flash of lightning and a roar of thunder. A strong wind came and blew the letter out of his hand. See on the letter where it says, it's this Saturday at 2? Peter chased the letter. He tried to stop it with his foot, but it blew really far away, and then it flew high into the air, and then landed, skipping across a hopscotch game. The letter blew this way and that. Peter chased it this way and that. He couldn't catch it. Big drops of rain began to fall. Just then, someone turned the corner. It was Amy. She waved to him. The letter flew right towards her. She mustn't see it, or the surprise will be spoiled. They both ran for the letter. In his great hurry, Peter bumped into Amy. He caught the letter before she could see it was for her. Quickly, he stuffed the letter into the mailbox, and then he looked for Amy. But she had run off crying. Now she'll never come to my party, Peter thought. He saw his reflection in the street, and it looked all mixed up. When Peter got back to his house, his mother asked, Did you mail your letter? Yes, he said sadly. Saturday came at last. Everybody arrived but Amy. Shall I bring the cake out now? His mother asked Peter. Let's wait a little, said Peter. Now, bring it out now, bring it out now, chanted the boys. All right, Peter said slowly, bring it out now. Just then, the door opened. In walked Amy, with her parrot. A girl. Ugh, said Eddie. Happy birthday, Peter, said Amy. Happy birthday, Peter, repeated the parrot. Peter's mother brought the cake she had baked and lit the candles. Everyone sang. Make a wish, cried Amy. Wish for a truck full of ice cream, shouted Eddie. A store full of candy and no stomachache. But Peter made his own wish and blew out all the candles at once. The end. Oh, there it is, for Augusta Park Baker. That's where he wrote it. That's who he dedicated it to. It was at the last page of the book, the end page. So he dedicated it for Augusta Baker. All right, the end. I hope you liked it. It wasn't a really long one, but it was a pretty good book. So I hope you really liked it, and I want you to go have a good Friday evening, and I will see you this weekend, Saturday or Sunday, with another book. All right. See you guys later. Bye.